So this is a face recognition voting project. You will be having ARUDINO UNO 16 cross 2 LCD, a on-off button and buzzer, and RFID reader with the 2 cards. So initially, whenever you start your project, see that the switch is in the off state, and here the application will be of the face recognition application will be running in your laptop. Now whenever you turn the application, first you have to connect this USB to TTL to your laptop, and we will do the setups, and thereafter connect the USB Arduino to your laptop. Then you will get electronic voting system, and the system will be like working like this. And thereafter you have to turn on the system. The system goes into the voting mode. So after going to the voting mode, run the I will show you how to take the faces. First, initially we have to save our faces. So you have to use only numerical words in order to use numerical numbers to save the faces. Only 1 and 2 we are done for two persons only. Python crop faces, we will run the application. So you have to give the name of the ID of the user. We are given the ID as 1, then press enter. The application starts, and in order to take the photographs, you have to place on this particular screen and type S here. So whenever you type S, the system will looks like freezed, but it will take all your images and stores in the internal DB. So let it wait until it freezes. Same way, after this user is done, you can close by pressing Q button, and again reopen it and retrain for the second user. So now you can see the freeze has been gone. It means the images has been taken. It will take totally 11 images. Now I press Q button, so the application closes. Now this part is done. The system should be in the voting mode, remember that. And thereafter I'm running the main Python face recognition application. So when we run the Python face recognition application, the so it will read all the data of the faces. So once after it read the faces, you can see it started to recognize me as one, but it won't ask you to vote until you swipe your card. So after your recognition process is done, we have to swipe your card. Here you can see valid card detected, place vote. Now as I'm in front of the screen and it has recognized me, recognized one, and it will ask you to press the any vote number, and you have to press vote number of any party. I'm pressing 1 or 2 and press enter, and the application again starts. Again you are in front of the screen, system will show you user 1 but already voted. Same way, if you swipe your card also, it will give you buzzer and say already has been voted. So in the same way, if the second user is done application, it will give you the ID and password, and it will give you the voter section. And after the 2 users are done, then you have to turn off your voting process. Then whenever the voting process is done, it will give you a buzzer and provide the results that voting completed, voting results, how many votes are placed for each and every person. And this everything data is stored in the faces folder. So in the faces folder, all the images will be stored of the user. If any unknown face comes, it won't give you any option or any access to it. I am deleting the you can delete and retrain for any other new user. This is the application functionality of voting using RFID and face recognition.